Welcome back to Scrummy. We're making Bailey's Cupcakes today, a lovely chocolate Bailey's cupcake topped with a decadent Bailey's Buttercream. I like to give lots of tips and tricks in my tutorial to help you, so please stay tuned so you don't miss out. We're starting with the cupcakes. Just like all the other cupcake recipes on my channel, place soft butter and sugar into a bowl. Take the butter out of the fridge the night before and it'll make beating it so much easier. Mix until the butter and sugar are light and fluffy. You can add the eggs, self-raising flour, baking powder and the cocoa to the mixture and mix again. I like to add a pinch of baking powder with the self-raising flour to get a lighter cupcake. Mix again until the mixture is smooth, and now you can pour in the Bailey's Irish cream. I use the real stuff, but there's so many really good cheaper versions available, which are great for baking too. This mixture is done and you'll see that's a little thinner than other cupcake mixtures you've made. Divide the mixture between 12 cupcake cases and fill them to about 2/3 of the way full. Let's get these cupcakes into the oven. You need to bake them at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Next, let's make the Bailey's Buttercream. It's very important to use room temperature butter and mix it on a high speed for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice the butter changes to a whiter colour and it's doubled in size. We can start adding the icing sugar. I like to add a little icing sugar at a time and mix it before adding more. Do this until you've added all the icing sugar and it's all mixed in. You get a much nicer buttercream consistency if you do this. This amount of buttercream will decorate 12 standard size cupcakes. If you don't want to pipe buttercream swirls on your cupcakes like I've done, then I'd recommend you just make half the recipe. When all the icing sugar is mixed in, add the Baileys. I'm adding 5 tablespoons as I love the Baileys flavour, so I'd suggest adding a tablespoon at a time until you get the flavour you like. If the buttercream is too soft, add some extra icing sugar. This is perfect and we're ready to start decorating. When the cupcakes are baked, allow to cool completely before adding the buttercream. Pipe a nice swirl on the top of each cupcake. This icing tip I'm using is a 1M. I love this one for making buttercream swirls. Add some sprinkles of your choice. These ones are called Bronze Crunch and seem to be very popular at the moment as I've seen them everywhere. Finish off by placing a Bailey's truffle on top. If you can't get these, you could use a lentil and or truffle instead. I picked up these really cheap paper straws and I thought they'd look really great in the cupcakes. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my weekly tutorial. Next week I'll be sharing a recipe with you for chocolate orange millionaire shortbread. Oh my goodness, it's just delicious. Thanks for watching and happy baking everyone.